Okay.
What are you gonna do, Mel?
Oh my god, just keep driving. You concentrate on the road. Oh my god.
Hit the wipers.
Oh, oh my god.
Oh! Get off your
Help.
What are you gonna do?
Keep driving.
What? Parking?
Oh my god. We're stopping at the light.
Let's pull up here, these lights up here.
Oh my god! Ah! Who's gonna get out?
How are we gonna get out?
Ah! I mean, he's got a shovel. Pull.
I'd like to pull up here beside these fellas up here.
No, you can't. Look at him pointing at this guy.
When this car spits up, I'm gonna pull up over here. I'm gonna pull up over this bloke.
Do you like our friend? What are we gonna do?
Oh, you're going.
Oh, look at him! Oh my god! That's my window up!
Where you go? Hey, no, that got on here.
Is he off?
Hey, he's going across the road. What are you gonna do with it?
Only in Australia would that happen. And if you thought that was shocking, take a look at this next video.
There is a serious snake. It is a serious snake.
You have to be really brave to live in Australia. Search Limo videos on Facebook for more incredible clips like this.